Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and I got some mail. I'm going to open it up and show what it is to you, and I'm going to put it on, and then I'll give you a little bit of description of how I got this. So where are my scissors here? Maybe I don't need scissors. Alright, so this actually came from a company called, let me make sure I get it right, I think it's, well, it's Beachy, but it is Lotus and Luna, or is it Luna and Lotus? I always get it mixed up. Lotus and Luna. Take a look. Isn't that pretty? Balance and inner peace. Howlite and Amazon. It's a chakra. Your crown and your throat chakra. Okay, let me take this off. Or out of here, rather. There we go. It is a necklace. We have a little button clasp. And I think this goes from 13.5 inches to like 18 inches, if I'm not mistaken. The button is a coconut button. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different stations that we can wear this. And I'm pretty small through here, but, whoop, that's my sister. She's calling me. Let me grab that. Ooh, I like this. And I'll be back to explain a little bit more about this. So I'm back. Normally I would just let it go and call her back, but we were actually doing a Zoom, getting all prepared for the Virtual Blythe Retreat that's coming up here pretty soon. June 20th, 21st, and 22nd. But anyway, this video is all about this necklace, and I really like it. Let me just tell you what their little blurb is back here. Let me get this off so I can read it. It says, a calming stone, howlite balances emotions, opens communication, and relieves stress and anxiety. Amazonite soothes the spirit and calms the soul. It promotes clarity and self-love. And their mission of Lotus and Luna empowers artisan communities in Thailand, helping them achieve a better quality of life, one village at a time. Your support provides our artisans with the following. So they have job stability, the ability to work from home. And let's see, what does this say? One other thing I can't see. Better. It's got the price tag on there. Oh, better quality of life. And then it tells you how to take care of it. It says keep clean and dry, avoid contact with moisture and chemicals, remove jewelry before bathing, swimming, and exercising. And those are actually really, really good tips. Most jewelry, you should not go in the beach water or the pool water or even take a bath or a shower because of the soap scum. It actually deteriorates some of the stuff, puts soap scum, it gets it all yucky. Now I have to say, this necklace right here, which I made, is meant to wear all the time. I have been wearing it nonstop for several months. It has not gone into beach water yet, but it has been showered with. In fact, I don't even think I've been in a pool with it yet. But I will be pretty soon here, and I will let you know how that goes. But anyway, look how nicely this stacks. I love this, and this will be one of those go-to necklaces that I wear stacked with my other necklaces. And the way I got it, let me just tell you this. So I have been subscribed to a quarterly subscription from a company named Beachy. I have the unboxings over on my other channel, Be Creative. And I'll leave a link to that channel down in the description box below. But the way I started out was I ordered a box, just one box, because I wanted to try them out. And they have a lot of, when I first started doing this, it was mostly clothing, like t-shirts, sweatshirts, jackets, they have dresses, beach cover-ups, pajamas, stuff like that. And they're all beach related. And they've kind of branched out a little bit. You can get cosmetics, you can get like towels, maybe beach towels, Turkish beach towels. I've gotten a couple of those. And I have a blanket. They have like little house decorating type things, little signs or pictures or stuff like that. But I liked it a lot, so I went ahead and subscribed for a full year. And I've got, like I said, all the unboxings of those over on my Be Creative channel, and it explains a little bit more about how much they cost and all that. So I won't get into details. But I will have to say, I got this for free because you earn points as you go with the Beachly subscriptions. Like every time you purchase a subscription, you get so many points. When your birthday rolls around, you get so many points. I also posted on Instagram about getting Beachly, so I got extra points. Anyway, it's all kinds of different things you do to get extra points. And I was able to get 25 of those points. I bought this, and then I got, well, I ordered this necklace and another necklace, but the other one was out of stock, so that one didn't come. But anyway, that's how I got this necklace. So I was really excited about getting a free necklace, and I'll be wearing it a lot. Anyway, let me know if you have ever heard of the company Beachly and if you've ever ordered anything from them. And I actually do have a coupon code if you're interested, and I'll put that down in the comment section below too. But thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.